Hey, English learners! Welcome back to the Evie Daily English podcast, your place for slow English listening, real conversations, and easy spoken practice.
Yeah, this is where you build your speaking skills with everyday talk, not from dry lessons or complicated rules.
I'm Evie.
And I'm Alex.
So, Alex, how are you today? Feeling ready to chat?
I'm great, Evie. I had a relaxing morning with some coffee and a quick walk. How about you?
I'm good, but I stayed up a bit late reading a book in English. It was worth it, though.
Ah, so you were investing in your skills.
Maybe just a little, but it felt productive. And today, I'm excited because we get to help our listeners again.
Same here. It always feels good to share what we've learned and make English easier for everyone.
Yes, like we're all sitting together, practicing step by step.
Okay, small talk done. Let's jump into our topic.
Yes, before we keep chatting away. Today, we're talking about how to improve your spoken English journey.
Yeah, speaking English is like a road trip. If you plan it right, it's fun and you get where you want to go.
Ouch. But sometimes it feels bumpy. Don't worry, we'll keep it simple and share real tips from our own lives.
And before we start, we have a small favor to ask.
Yeah, if you like this podcast, please like this episode, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's working on their English.
Especially that friend who says, I want to speak better, but I don't know how, but then avoids practicing.
We all know that friend. Sometimes it's us.
Yes. Okay, let's explain what improve your spoken English journey means in simple words.
Good question to start. To improve means to make something better, step by step. Spoken English is the talking part, not just reading or writing.
Right. And journey means it's like a trip, not a quick jump. You move forward little by little, with ups and downs.
Exactly. Think about it like walking up a hill. You don't run to the top, you take steady steps, rest when needed, and enjoy the view.
Ah, I like that. A journey up the hill. If you rush, you might fall back. So now we know the meaning, let's share how we can make this journey smoother, especially in real life.
Okay, maybe I can start with a story.
Yes, stories make it easier to remember.
So, a few years ago, I was shy about speaking English. I knew words from books, but in conversations, I froze. One day at a cafe, I tried to order coffee and mixed up the words. The barista looked confused and I felt embarrassed.
Whoa, that sounds tough.
It was, but after that, I decided to change. I started small and it worked. So, tip number 1, immerse yourself every day.
Immerse means surround yourself, like jumping into water.
Yes, for me, that meant listening to English podcasts while walking or cooking. At first, I missed some words, but I kept going. Simple topics about daily life helped.
Did you do something like that too?
Yeah, I listened to radio shows in the car, then I repeated sentences out loud. That's shadowing.
Shadowing. Okay, I like that. You play a line, pause, and say it back, copying the sound.
It felt awkward at first, like talking to a mirror, but it improved my pronunciation. No more tripping over words like rhythm or schedule.
I love that. Shadowing helped me too. I'd use fun TV shows and repeat funny lines. It made practice less like work.
But here's the real part. Talk to people. Start small, like asking for directions or chatting with a shopkeeper.
Mistakes happen, right? I once said, I'm boring instead of I'm bored, and my friend laughed, but I learned from it.
Exactly. That feeling of oops teaches you. So, tip number 2, embrace errors.
Embrace means accept and hug it, like a friend.
Yes. Record yourself talking about your day, listen back, and fix what sounds off, like long pauses or wrong tenses.
Recording changed everything for me. I'd cringe at first, but it showed my patterns. To build words, I noted them from real talks, not lists.
Smart. Vocabulary means the words you know. Use them right away. Like, I learned hesitant from a conversation and started saying it.
For example, I joined language exchanges online, video chats with people from other countries.
Really? Tell us.
We discussed food or hobbies for 15 minutes. My heart pounded at first, but it got natural. It forced me to think fast.
I did that too. My partner was from Italy and we helped each other. No pressure, just support.
Another thing, read out loud. Take a story and say it out loud for rhythm.
Rhythm means the flow, like music.
Yes, I read news like a host. It slowed my rush.
But mindset is key. That's half the journey.
Mindset means how you think about it.
I used to say, I'm bad at this. It stopped me. Now I say, each try helps.
Positive talk works. Celebrate wins, like the day I chatted on the phone without fear.
That's inspiring. I had a trip where I made friends in English. It wasn't perfect, but it felt good.
So, listeners, begin with what fits you. Listen, shadow, record, talk, and stay positive.
Tip 3. Find a partner. Apps like Tandem for practice.
And add fun. Sing songs or narrate your day like a story.
We've shared a lot. Immersion with listening, shadowing for sound, errors as lessons with recordings, words in context, exchanges for real talk, reading for flow, and mindset for strength.
Remember, tweak what works for you. It's your path.
Now, some words we used today.
Yes, let's review them slowly.
First, immerse. Surround yourself with English.
For example, I immerse in podcasts daily.
Shadowing. Repeat after hearing.
I practice shadowing to sound natural.
Embrace. Accept warmly.
Embrace mistakes to learn faster.
Vocabulary. Your word collection.
Build vocabulary with real examples.
Mindset. Your thinking style.
A positive mindset helps the journey.
If you missed any, re-listen. Make a sentence with one word.
Or sharing comments. It's like a quick practice.
So, if you're thinking, what now? Here's simple steps.
Step 1, pick a tiny goal, like shadow one phrase today.
Step 2, find pocket time, like during a walk.
Step 3, make it fun, maybe with a song.
Step 4, tell yourself, good job after.
That builds you up.
Recap our tips.
Tip 1, immerse daily.
Tip 2, embrace errors.
Tip 3, build with partners and fun.
Tip 4, positive mindset.
Tip 5, rest to recharge.
Your journey matters. Small steps lead far.
Question for you. What's one tip you'll try? Share in comments.
It might inspire someone.
If this helped, like, subscribe, share.
Thanks for joining. You invested well.
We're proud.
This was Evie Daily English with Evie and Alex.
Until next, keep speaking. Bye.
Bye-bye. Take care.